Welcome to memoQ in 90 seconds. Today, typing faster with abbreviation. From the translation editor, hit the Ctrl, Shift, and O key to open the autocorrect settings window. In the autocorrect settings window, under autocorrects list, click New List to create a new list. In the Replace and With field, type the different abbreviation and the word they replace. Click Add between each term. You can replace an abbreviation with a complete expression. Check the box next to the list to make sure it is activated. In the translation editor, type in the abbreviation, then hit the spacebar to insert the complete word or expression. This works also when reviewing a translation or post-editing. Highlight the word to replace, type in the abbreviation, and then hit the spacebar. Thanks for watching.